What causes erectile dysfunction? Does ED only affect men in their 60s and 70s, or do younger men sometimes have difficulty achieving or maintaining erections? Which erectile dysfunction treatments are most effective? Let's take a closer look. What is erectile dysfunction? Also known as ED, erectile dysfunction is repeated or persistent difficulty in either achieving and/or maintaining an erection that is sufficient for sex. It might happen occasionally, or it may happen every time you attempt to have sex. What causes ED? There are several different causes of erectile dysfunction. Some of them are diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, metabolic syndrome, obesity, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, testosterone deficiency, atherosclerosis. Sometimes substance abuse, smoking, alcoholism, and side effects from prescription drugs can cause ED. If you're being treated for prostate cancer, particularly if you are receiving radiation therapy in the pelvic region, then you might suffer from erectile dysfunction. In total, approximately 90% of erectile dysfunction cases have physical components. Some of the causes of erectile dysfunction are psychological, such as depression, guilt, fear or intimacy, anxiety, low self-esteem. If you're suffering from ED, it's possible that both psychological and physical factors are contributing to the problem. Treatments for erectile dysfunction. Vacuum pumps, vascular surgery, and penile implants are less popular than pharmacological solutions for ED, that is, the little blue pills that you've probably heard of. Avanafil, Stendra, Sildenafil, Viagra, Tadalafil, Cialis, and Vardenafil, Levitra, are PDE5 inhibitors that can be prescribed by a doctor. Unfortunately, these come with many side effects including flushing, hearing loss, indigestion, visual abnormalities, headaches. Some patients have worse side effects from ED prescriptions, including stroke and heart attack. There are also injections or locally acting drugs, including shady online options that can seriously damage penile tissue. In rare cases, prescriptions for ED have led to emergency surgery, including penis amputation. Fortunately, there are alternatives to potentially dangerous drugs. One new product is Elixir, which is an all-natural system that addresses the root physical causes of erectile dysfunction, along with psychological issues. This treatment is relatively new, but so far successful, with more than 16,000 men reporting recovery from erectile dysfunction. Benefits include all natural, addresses multiple causes of ED, no side effects, no weird gadgets, injections, or surgery, normal erections at appropriate times. Lastly, Elixir is very inexpensive, less than what a single Viagra tablet costs in some places. Additionally, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is yet one more thing that you don't get with prescriptions. Curious? Learn more about this cutting-edge solution for ED in the link below. There's no risk, just an opportunity to regain your manhood and restore your dignity.